There you go, guys. We are in the apple field, the apple farm. Oh my goodness, look at that beautiful apple over there. Holy moly, look at that. Oh, can we able to pick this one up and then we should be able to eat it.
Wow. Oh my God.
Look at this, guys. This is insane. This is insane, man. I just wanted to pick that one in. Is there any way that you can pick it? Oh my goodness, it's a big one. Woo!
Put it back.
Look at this, guys.
See?
Oh my goodness, this is an incredible size
Wow,
of the
that's
apple.
nice.
Oh my goodness, this is why you guys, I just wanted to recommend you guys to come over here and pick whatever you guys wanted. Look at the size of the apple over there.
Be careful.
This is a good one. Oh my goodness. Yeah, look at this, guys. I just
This one's dirty just because of it.
let me eat it. Look at it, guys. I just wanted to eat this apple. Look at this, guys. This is a nice one. You can just pick them and make sure whatever you pick it, you gotta take it, okay? All right, guys. Let me see.
Look at this, guys. Guys, look at this apple. Guys, look at this apple compared to my dad's head. Look, it's bigger than my head. Spin it with your one. That one.
Oh my goodness. Really? Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, sure. Oh no! You only got two?
Yeah. Equal.
Oh my goodness! Why are you going closer?
I'm not. I'm taking a step forward.
There you go! Oh my goodness! Oh no!
Oh my God,
So
Emmanuel.
next round is with mom and son, okay? Let's see who's gonna win it. Oh! Oh, oh, you already got one! Uh-uh.
One left.
Looks like you're cheating. This is the fun part of the apple farm, guys. So weekend is kind of cool because we don't have a lot of people here and you have a lot of space for your kids to play around. And then also you guys can enjoy the views and you guys enjoy picking apples whatever you guys want it, right? And then you guys can play with your kids and see how they are playing right now. See, this is the fun part of this farm. Alright, guys. See how she did it. There you go. There you go. Oh, oh, oh! That was cool. Oh, now you swinging it hard, like kid. The fourth one. Ah, no, you missed it.